everyone. Welcome to eHub at Aswini. Today we have Harikiran, who is currently working as Process Associate in Accenture. Welcome to eHub, Harikiran.
Hi, ma'am. Hello. Good evening, all.
Thank you for accepting our invitation and coming to eHub at Aswini to interact.
Always, madam. It's my pleasure.
Yeah, Harikiran, now you're working as a Process Associate in Accenture. What is the work role? What is the job role?
Yeah, basically, we will do the work like we'll get some fake profiles or something which are visible on the social media. So we will get those profiles and we will review them. So it is not only particular social media like Instagram or Facebook something. We'll get overall. So we will review them and we will publish the report so that it can be taken down before going to the any social media. So it is like helping people to save their personal data or something like that.
Okay. So, how did you get this offer? What is the process? If you say
Yeah,
all about that, it will be helpful for the students who are
sure, sure,
aspiring to
sure,
get the
sure,
job.
sure. So I'll come from the root. Basically, I am doing as mechanical engineering fourth year. So during the fourth year, I joined treat sessions which are held in our college. They are very helpful for me because actually a small suggestion for all the youngsters who are doing any BTech or something like it is like don't waste just for doing the BTech. Like some of your parents or some of your relatives might say that yeah, you go for a BTech or you will go for this stream or mechanical or something like that because you don't. They are not the one who should decide your future. So I made that mistake. So it took me almost a 1.5 year to get out of that and to know which is my talent. So during this fourth year, I joined a treat, which is very helpful for me. Up to then, I don't know how to speak in English. I don't know how to interact with people, everything. So then I learned English and that aptitude, everything I learned there. So I started attending these what is called placement sessions that are happening in the college. So I got almost around 6 to 7 jobs, purely BPO only, like non-voice or voice process everything. So I thought I got an offer in Advait algorithm, which is in Gannavaram. So I thought I fixed to that actually. So meanwhile, I just got a ping in the this WhatsApp group of the special talent hub. So there I got this Accenture drive-in. So tomorrow morning there is a drive-in for you. I got today evening. So I am thinking what to do, whether I should attend the interview or everything like that. So I have made some like I asked my friends and asked my relatives whether I should go for the interview or everything like that. So they said that since it is an MNC, you can give it a try. So I thought I don't know anything. I don't know that is I just came out of BTech. That's so I don't know anything. So I just went there with a resume, and there I have seen like it is like a huge crowd with 1,200 members on that day on that day. So that time I decided that okay, this job won't come. So that is one of the perspective. See, when you see lot of people or crowd, you will feel that okay, there is you will lose your confidence at an instant. So you'll say to yourself that yes, we cannot do it, we cannot make it. So that is the thing that happened to me there also. But when I faced the interviewer, he is very cool and he asked me some questions. So it is like a general basic English. So actually, the basic correct exact word of the communication is that what you are saying it should be meaningful and it should be understood by the interviewer or something who are speaking to you. So it is the basic point. So there is no need to panic there. So if somebody asks you about tell me your SD or tell me your intro, so I know as a fresher or something like that you will face that some text or panic you will feel. But as I said in my training sessions or everything, so these trainers or ma'am or everything, they will say like it is very small tip but it is very helpful to you. So you practice yourself in front of a mirror, so it will give you thousands of answers to all of your questions. No one is required to guide you, so it will be enough. You will know how to speak, you will know how to give your body language, everything. So that is a process that improved my English a lot. And during these group discussions also, first of all, everything is the first basic point is that you need to speak out of your mouth. No one will force you, nothing will, you need to have your somewhat of courage and confidence. You need to speak out of your mouth. When you started speaking, then by others or something like that, you will get some points in the mind, then you can improve like that. So these group discussions, everything, so it helped me a lot. And by that confidence and everything, I got a job offer in the Accenture. So I'm very happy, so I joined Accenture. So it's been already 2 years since I am working.
That's great to listen from you. And
Yeah.
what are the rounds in interview session?
Okay, these interviews, there are two types of interview basically, because when you go to a technical profile or something, there will be like a normal basic or aptitude test, and then the technical round. So the interview which I attended is only normal basic one, because the basic requirement of my job is that excellent communication skills with management skills, everything. So they have taken me first a video Skype video call, normal, how I am facing the interview, or how I am facing the cam. Am I suitable with the cam? So they tested that, and in the first round it is okay. So I got qualified, and second round is that HR round. So in the HR round, it will be like a on-to-on face-to-face discussion, where they will be giving a some normal, you will face a jam type of round with it. They will give some topic or some content or everything, on the spot. You have to speak at in a minute or something like that. So this one also, jam also, in group discussion there will be a time for you to build your sentences or something like that, but in jam it is like at an instant you have to speak. So this jam
Yes.
also you'll get, yeah, this jam also you will get habituated to it when you practice a lot. And also main thing, yeah,
Overcome that problem. Just a
yes,
minute.
we
You
can,
have to
yeah,
speak for a minute. The
yes.
flow of language is very important.
Yes, first of all, not only if you want to improve your English, three basic points. First thing, you need to overcome your stage fear. So you need to speak. No, there is nothing like that. Many of the people will laugh at you or everything. Say, I am a mechanical engineer and I don't know English at all. Up to 4 years, I don't know how to answer in English also when somebody asks me. So now I am doing on the basis of the English job only. So there is nothing that if I can do, if anyone can do, you can also do. There is nothing like that, but you need to practice. Don't listen to anyone. You know your talent, you know you can do it. I'm saying that. So that is like jam round. So it is like 1 minute. They asked me about Indian population or something. I have spoken, since I am the outcome of the BTech that time only. So I know I got a good touch in English. So I just qualified that round. And in the third round, it is like a same personal interview with the manager one. So he also asked me, just they will test the confidence, whether if anyone asks you a question, whether you are able to understand that question and you are able to deliver a reply to that. So they will test that. So in that interview, I just got a very simple task, like there are a bunch of resumes there provided there. So he picked one resume, and he has given me the resume, and he asked me to explain the career objective of that person who have developed their resume, some random guy. So he asked me, please explain this career objective in your own words. So it is like, career objective is normally, many of the people will do like googling, and they will copy paste that career objective, but don't do like that. You suppose you are going to a sales job, so that sales job, it will be a different career objective. Suppose you are going to some like, it will be based on the job description actually. So you need to understand what is the interview and what is the job description, what is the job you are applying, and based on that you need to upgrade your career objective or something like that. So in layman English only, you can type that career objective. There is no problem that you have to use uh, strong vocabulary or something like that. Vocabulary is that you need to include those vocabulary words in the speaking, but there is not required in the resume or something like that. Yes, if you update in the resume, you need to, you should be in a position that you need to explain those words clearly. So if you remember or something like that, I know amicable word a lot. We used to use that in every interview. We used to that I am amicable person, amicable person. But one interview I faced that what is really about amicable. So it is not like using the word only. You should know what is the exact meaning and whether you are related to that word. So that is like,
Good to listen from you,
yeah.
Harikiran. You have given elaborated explanation. So, okay, your profession, you're good, you're going on well. Why this suddenly the content review in social media? Why this idea has come up?
No, actually, content review in social media is like since my job is related to social media, due to pandemic situations, there is like we are about to do our work from home experience. So I used to be alone in Hyderabad only, so I don't know what to do. So in leisure time, I used to like I love cooking basically, so I enjoy cooking myself. So I thought that why can't we put this in a YouTube manner so that maybe it will be success or not, I don't know, but just for a try I thought okay, let's try this so that we should know how the audience will receive it for the first time, whether we are able to deliver that and whether we are see I am saying all of these points, but at the start, at the time of starting the YouTube in my first video I am very nervous because facing the person is normally it is okay, but facing the camera say and also without managing your nervous it is like a different task. So it took me around 20 to 30 videos to overcome that nervousness, so that it is like a YouTube video means it is not like you should deliver some content or it is like directly talking to the audience only. So you should be very careful. And I thought that okay, maybe since I have a cooking skill, so maybe I can post it so that it will be good. So I jumped into that.
It's good also. I watched them. It's good
Yeah.
also. Keep going. What is the basic requirement for this job? I mean, process associate. What is the basic
Mm,
qualification required? Minimum
qualification is
qualification.
like, yeah, actually at the time of my joining they are recruiting both BTech passed outs and degree. So now I think they are only taking the degree passed outs. BTech also we can apply, but I think they are mostly considering the degree passed outs, and it is like a minimum 60% aggregate in the BTech or something degree with no backlogs, first thing, and a good communication skills and excellent managing skills. That's it, basic requirements. So in interview also, since you are the fresher, they will not uh, accept I mean expect a lot. They will just ask you your basic questions, but only thing is that you have to be very confident without nervous. You have to be, and another thing is that eye contact. So it is very very important in this interview because there is no technical round here, so you should be very careful. Not only in this interview, every interview you should be giving eye contact to, suppose in a panel if there are four members, you should be giving to everyone eye contact. So not particularly staring at a one person. So that.
So what about the career growth in your profession right now? Do you have the stage by stage the
Uh,
career growth?
yeah, actually, since I am doing this BPO job, actually, uh, coming to the career growth, it is a bit of disturbed mode because for every 9 months we will get a sub level movement. So, and for see, if I like in the fresher level it is around 13.3 level. So for every 9 months 13.2, 13.1, 12.3. So it is like if we work for 4 to 5 years, then we will get around a pay scale of 30K or something like that. So career growth is, I recommend first, for the first step to join to start your career, it is good. But for a lifelong career or a professional one, I don't think it is a good idea. So now right now I am doing a software course. So I am also thinking about to switch to the software side, IT side.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Harikiran. Thanks a
Thank you,
lot
thank you, thank you,
for
madam.
giving all your inputs for the viewers. I hope it is going to help the eHub viewers to plan about their career. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
thank you, thank you. So finally, on a note, I will say that every fresher, so you should know your first. You should know your talent first thing, not just blindly following the group of people. You should know your first talent first thing. Like me, don't waste those 4 years of BTech just by doing your like parents' wish or something like that. You should know your talent and move towards your talent. And also, if suppose if you got an opportunity, go for it, good or bad, go for it. You should, when you go for it, you will understand that okay, this is not the right path, so you can go to the other path. So like that. And also IT people also, I'll say that, see, I am a mechanical engineer, and now I am, after 2 years I am doing the software course. I am strictly saying that in your BTech days only, if you are not able to cope up with your class activities, I recommend you to go to extra course in the BTech days only. So that while coming out of the BTech, you will be like a high package so that you can directly go to the interview. Software guys, I am doing that. I am saying that. And for the non-IT like civil and mechanical, I'll recommend you to go to your core branches only if it is possible, if you got any core branch opportunities, because I don't get any core branch opportunities because my talent is only speak English, so I don't get. So if you are very good at your activities, you go for core branches. So basically it will be starting, it will be like a labor worker, but coming days you will get habituated to it and you will be in a very good growth. So yeah, right. Since it is Corona and pandemic, stay safe, all of you. So I hope you reach your goals in our life.
Thank you, Ma. So
Thank
please
you.
like, share, subscribe, and comment to eHub at Ashwini for much
Yeah.
more updates. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.